Hi, my name is Mike Mayer. I'm the project manager at Mountain Construction. Working with the Seaport Boat Museum has been a really unique opportunity because their building is a part of Tacoma's history. There are a lot of cool things about the project, both architecturally and structurally. From the steel moment frames to all the glass, everything really comes together well to create a functional space for the boat shop. This project also provides visitors the opportunity to see what goes on as the Seaport volunteers build a boat. They can see the finished product out in the museum, but here they'll be able to see all the hard work and detail that goes into it. In the past, boat shop workers and volunteers had to keep limited hours and keep sawdust to a minimum, but now they'll have a finished space where they can work freely and at their own pace. At Mountain, we value craftsmanship and our relationships with clients and organizations we believe in. This has been a wonderful project, and I think it's something we can all take pride in.